We live in a digital age, and it's hard to remember all the things we need to do to stay healthy, and then actually do them. These 10 health hacks are simple to remember and easy to implement, so you can be healthy without too much effort or time spent. Let's get started. 1. Drink warm water every morning. When you are feeling lethargic and in need of a pick-me-up, try drinking warm water first thing in the morning. As soon as you wake up, pour yourself a glass of room temperature water and put it in your microwave for about a minute. Add some lemon juice to give it a fresh smell and taste. As it's heating up, think about what kind of day you want to have. Be positive. 2. Always take the stairs. Stair climbing is a great way to burn calories, improve circulation, and build strength in your lower body. When you use an elevator or escalator, you're typically standing still for about 30 seconds, time during which it's easy to zone out and start daydreaming. 3. Eat at least 3 servings of vegetables per day. Healthy eating is about balance and moderation. This can be achieved by making sure to include leafy greens and other colorful vegetables in your diet. Vegetables provide a number of essential nutrients to our body, such as vitamins and minerals, which help keep us healthy. You should aim to eat a minimum of 3 servings of vegetables per day in order to have proper nutrition. 4. Never eat too much in a sitting. Your body can't digest all that food at once, so if you keep going back for more throughout your meal, you'll consume far more calories than you should. Overeating can also cause indigestion and leave you with a stomach ache. Stop before you feel full and stick to 3 healthy meals per day. 5. Never skip breakfast. Don't fall into a late-night snacking trap. Skipping breakfast can cause your body to go into starvation mode, where it stores any calories it finds as fat rather than burning them off. Aim for a healthy breakfast every day, such as whole grain toast with peanut butter and an egg cooked over easy on top. 6. Take your vitamin D. Vitamin D is often referred to as the sunshine vitamin because your body makes it when you're exposed to sunlight. Many experts now recommend that we get at least some of our daily vitamin D from food and supplements, because it can help reduce our risk of certain diseases. While much research on vitamin D has focused on its role in bone health, new studies are linking low levels with an increased risk for heart disease, too. 7. Use coconut oil for everything. Coconut oil is rich in MCTs, or medium-chain triglycerides. These fatty acids help your body metabolize fats for energy and are thought to be easier to digest than other types of fat. Because coconut oil has a high smoke point, which means it doesn't break down at higher cooking temperatures, it's a great option for stir-frying and sautéing, as well as for popping popcorn or roasting nuts. 8. Switch from plastic to BPA-free containers. You can do your body a world of good by swapping out plastic containers for glass or BPA-free ones. Chemicals used to manufacture plastics have been linked to birth defects, obesity, and an increased risk of cancer. BPA is one of these chemicals. It acts as an endocrine disruptor, which means it interferes with hormone production and signaling in both animals and humans. 9. Get outside every day. A study from Harvard School of Public Health suggests that spending too much time inside and not enough time in sunlight can increase your risk of depression. Be sure to spend time outside every day, whether it's a walk around your neighborhood or a trip to the local park. As an added bonus, getting outside in nice weather has been shown to improve mood and productivity. 10. Sleep early and sleep enough. Sleep is crucial for our well-being. Not only does it give us energy, but it also repairs our body and sharpens our mind. To get more of it, turn off your TV an hour before going to bed and give yourself time to unwind. Think of creative activities that relax you, such as drawing or painting. It's best to go to bed when you feel tired, not when the clock says it's time.